We'll talk about how can you select alerts volume on your Zello app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on options. When just click on options here, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications here. When just click here on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here come here to alerts volume, and here can you select here alerts volume in this list, can you control it here. So that's all you have to do to select your alerts volume. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.